and intends to provide opportunities and training to faculties employed in engineering and technology. This FDP is AICTE sponsored and CTE Gandhinagar approved in association with IICHE Students Chapter GEC Bharuch. A day without prayer is day without blessings, and life without prayer is life without power. I request Piyush sir for prayer. Piyush sir, please. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Morning.
Thank you, Piyush sir. Thank you very much. Let us start the session. Today we have amongst us Shri M.A. Hania sir, President Dahej Industries Association and Senior Vice President of Meghmani Fine Chem Limited, Dahej, as chief guest for today's inaugural ceremony. Dr. Sachin Parikh sir, Joint Director CTE Gandhinagar, as guest of honor for today's inaugural ceremony. Shri S.I. Thakur sir, Chairman IICHE Ankleshwar Regional Center, Dr. S.R. Joshi sir, Principal GC Bharuch, Dr. N.R. Waghela sir, Atal FDP Coordinator and the Head of Chemical Engineering Department, expert speakers of FDP, all heads of various departments and all participant faculty members. We warmly welcome you all. May I now request Dr. N.R. Waghela sir to address the gathering. Sir, please.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Respected M.A. Hania sir, respected Dr. Sachin Parikh sir, respected Sunil Thakur sir, respected Dr. S.R. Joshi sir, faculty members and all participants. I express my deepest and sincerest gratitude towards Mr. M.A. Hania sir, Senior VP, Meghmani Fine Chem Limited, and President Dahej Industrial Association. I warmly welcome you, sir, for sparing your valuable time. Welcome you, sir. I warmly welcome our respected Dr. Sachin Parikh sir. Welcome you, sir. Welcome to Mr. Sunil Thakur sir. It's my pleasure to welcome you, sir. IICHE, sir is chairman of IICHE Ankleshwar Regional Center. IICHE is always supporting, or we can say the backbone for any type of such type of programs for chemical engineering department at GEC Bharuch. So welcome you, sir. I also express my sincerest and deepest gratitude to our lovable principal, Dr. S.R. Joshi, sir. The real reason behind applying for the Atal FFD is S.R. Joshi, sir. Sir has always motivated and support for any type of extra or co-curricular activities in the institute. So very warm welcome to you, sir. I also welcome to all the participants. Thank you very much for selecting the Waste Technology FTP. So I once again welcome to all the participants and all the invitees. Thank you very much. Over to you, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Mute છે ma'am આપનો.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Dr. S.R. Joshi, sir, who firmly believes that learning is a never-ending process and wishes that his staff, his team of soldiers, should always be able to perform in all the spheres of life. It is because of his vision such FDPs are conducted. I would like to invite sir to give welcome speech. Please, sir.
Good morning to all. Am I audible, ma'am? Clearly?
Yes, sir.
Respected M.A. Hania, sir, Senior Vice President of Make Money Fine Chemicals, Dahej, President of Dahej Industrial Association. Sir, thank you very much for accepting our invitation to join in the inaugural function of this FTP. We are very much encouraged by your presence. I welcome respected Sachin Parikh sir on this event. I know he is extremely busy, but though he always respect our invitation and join the various events of chemical engineering department of GEC Bharuch. Sir, thank you very much for sparing your valuable time out of the busy schedule. You have always encouraged by your presence in this kind of events of chemical engineering department of GEC Bharuch. Sir, thank you and I welcome you. I welcome Sunil Thakur sir also. He has played very important role in the activities of IICHE chapter of GEC Bharuch. Sir, you have been a motivating factor for us. You know that for conducting academic activities in an institute like GEC Bharuch, the support from industry is very well and very much required. So you have been playing a role of catalyst in the jargon of chemical engineering, I would say. So thanks for that, and I welcome you on this inaugural function. I welcome Dr. Waghela also. For the first time, I am addressing like Dr. Waghela. Sir, congratulations on becoming a doctor. And I inform to all of you, all participants and all dignitaries, that now the head of chemical engineering is not Mr. N.R. Waghela, it is Dr. N.R. Waghela. Naina Ben, I welcome you also.
Thank you,
the
sir.
importance of waste technology was never more than what it is today. World over, all the engineers, the politicians, decision makers, policy makers are very much awake on this issue. So, just to inform all the dignitaries and participants, at GC Bharuch, this is the third Atal sponsored FDP. Few may not be knowing about Atal initiative of AICTE. So AICTE is sponsoring this kind of FDP on the emerging areas of various engineering. Nowadays, chemical engineering is a core engineering and very important branch, especially in Gujarat, looking to the importance of and the penetration of chemical engineering, the way chemical engineering industries are there at the large scale compared to other states of India. It was felt by me and by Dr. N.R. Waghela that why not to have FDP on waste technology. We have tried our level best to invite the best speakers from NIT, IIT and various reputed institutes. The prime goal is to train the faculty members so that the chemical engineering department as well as other institute from which the various participants have joined, the students of all these institutes get advantage out of it. I am sure, looking to the enthusiasm of the coordinators of this FDP, the purpose of this very much FDP will be served very nicely. Thank you very much. Just to inform you all that today I am on leave and I am at a very small village. So due to the network problem, I could not join. So I am extremely sorry for that. I am really sorry. Thanks, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation and joining. Thank you very much, sir. Okay. It is my pleasure to introduce Shri S.I. Thakur, sir, Chairman IICHE Ankleshwar Regional Center. Thakur, sir, is 1981 pass-out chemical engineer from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda with 37 years of industrial experience of operation, projects, debottlenecking, etc. He is superannuated from GNFC, lastly as GM, and currently he is freelancer. Thakur sir was elected as member of National Council of IICHE twice and presently is chairman of Ankleshwar Regional Center and also serving as vice president of BDMA, that is Bharuch District Management Association. I request sir to share his views about this FDP. Thakur sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am, for nice introduction. Good morning, everybody. Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Hania, Dr. Sachin Parikh, Guest of Honor, Principal Dr. Joshi, a very vibrant personality, Professor Waghela, Professor Tahil Ramani, and various speakers and other faculty members. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this seminar having up theme of waste management and thank GEC Bharuch for the same. The global community has gradually developed infrastructure and facilities to ease the life. The scientists and engineers work hand in hand and now also continuously on the task of improving the processes. The long-lasting disastrous effects of environment, safety, and health taught mankind that it is not important to optimize the process in terms of consumptions and processing times. The pollution, safety, and health aspects supersedes them now. Global warming gave them new challenge and made aware of environment. Various health issues resulting from unmanaged waste streams forces us to focus on waste management. The technologies accepted challenge and practical method, economic affordability, space requirement, etc. issues are getting resolved with passage of time. As you know, the bacterial treatment normally remains cheapest methodology, say for COD. Space requirement was huge drawback, which is now resolved by say hybrid or MBBR mixed bed reactors. Similarly, vertical type of bacterial treatment is designed. What I mean is that technology is always responding to the requirements. Solid waste is another big threat for us. They are normally landfill is generally remedy used. One IBS study says per capita generation of waste in India stands 0.4 kg or roughly 2.5 lakh metric ton per day. Most of it goes to landfill sites, out of which roughly 50% is organic. You will be surprised to know that almost 50% is organic in nature, and it can be potentially diverted to biogas plants, which can reduce the burden on landfill. Such measures are to be used to reduce the threat of waste on mankind and gives us a better options. Plastic is another hazard. It is normally non-biodegradable, and about 3.4 million tons of plastic is wasted annually. The UNDP program began in 2018 has so far collected 83,000 metric ton of plastic waste, and looking to its seriousness, they are trying to increase it more and more. As a proactive global citizen, one must have foresight for waste management so that solution is available beforehand. If you see around, solar system and electrical vehicles are the day of present requirements and forces. Solar system is most talked about and touching up to normal household with government subsidies and etc. And their ambitious renewable energy goals and encouragements. According to report, India can generate a cumulative of PV waste as high as 34,000 metric tons by the end of 2030. We must think of solar waste and be ready. We have to work beforehand. That is for sure. Similarly, electrical vehicle sector is growing fast due to its environment benefits and high fuel pricing. It is said means we need to have recycling policy for electronic vehicle battery, EV battery. That will be a huge requirement in future. Sometimes waste management needs decision on selection of conflicting interests. Say nuclear example I am giving, nuclear power is considered to be green in normal operation to fuel the world, while it reduces carbon emissions at climate. But some incidents raise question that it is green or forever toxic. What to consider? So we have to take a good decision between such conflicting interests. Nuclear rift at climate talks about mammoth price tag, disproportionate damage caused by nuclear accidents, and radioactive leftovers that remain deadly after thousands of years. Apart from technical innovations, friends, information flow also helps in waste management. One example of some innovative management system is that IIT Madras has developed a platform to tackle e-waste by linking stakeholders in formal or informal sector. It is called eSource, the exchange platform that will serve as an online marketplace for waste electrical and electronics and facilitate formal supply chain between various stakeholders, buyers and sellers. And this initiative is being spearheaded by Indo-German Center of Sustainability. The challenges keep coming and without alarm, and can be in very high quantum, suddenly high quantum. Take for example COVID garbage. the huge amount of PPE kits and other things, it has posed a big challenge. Okay, how to dispose this? So such challenges keep coming, and we have to be prepared for that. Friends, the waste management include treatment, reusing or recycling, and disposing, considering statutory limits and human effects. The treatment of waste must be affordable enough to attract industry. That is the prime importance, because if it is not affordable, industries will not go for it. So once the viability is one thing, but affordability is also important. For such things, nowadays they give common treatment plants also. So, with Swachh Bharat drive led by our PM, waste management has gained more importance. I am sure the seminar will be very useful, and I wish grand success. That completes my part. But just as an IICSE representative, I would like to put two sentences of IICSE, that Indian Institute of Chemical Engineers is a central body for connecting academia, in industry and business houses. So there are almost 40 regional centers spread across the country. For Ankleshwar Regional Center, it is a one of the very vibrant chapters. So with this, I end my course, and thanks. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for explaining significance of waste management. Thank you, sir. It is a matter of pride for me to introduce guest of honor of today's inaugural ceremony, Dr. Sachin Parikh, sir, Joint Director, CTE Gandhinagar. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Can you hear us? Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Dr. Sachin has more than 23 years of teaching and research experience. He had played various responsible roles in various organizations. Sir has served as former Dean, Faculty of Engineering, GTU, former Principal, VVP Engineering College, Rajkot, and former Head of Chemical Engineering Department, LD College of Engineering, Ahmedabad. Dr. Sachin did his PhD in chemical engineering from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. He has published and presented papers in more than 50 national, international conferences and journals. Sir has guided many students for their postgraduate dissertation and PhD research work. He has registered Indian patent on advanced application of industrial carbon black to his credit. Under his able guidance, ISTE student chapter received Best Chapter Award in 2009 and 2015. Dr. Parikh is also associated with many professional bodies. He received Certificate of Appreciation from GTU Ahmedabad for his guideship to achieve 5 grants together from Guj Coast. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. I request, sir, to say a few words about our FDP. Please, sir.
Respected chief guest of today's function, Hania sir, Sri Thakur sir, other dignitaries, respected principal of GEC Bharuch, SR Joshi sir, head of the chemical engineering department, Dr. Naresh Waghela, Reshma madam, and dear participants. Very good morning to all of you. I am really very happy that within a very short time, as mentioned by Joshi sir, this is the third FDP organized under this AICT Atal FDP category. And it is really, I must say that not a single GEC or any government college or polytechnic would be able to organize this many number of FDPs in such a short duration, because I'm also looking after the training part of our DT, and I'll always go through what are the topics and content of various proposed FDP. Joshi sir and Wagela sir thank me for remaining present in my busy schedule. Yes, the schedule is always very hectic and busy. Joshi sir knows that. But I also must thank to the principal and the chemical engineering department for giving me the opportunity to, explore the area of academics, because I am, very well that focus mainly on administration. So whenever I get the chance, I take the opportunity to, explore the area, because basically we are academician, and we all should not forget that first and foremost duty is to, deliver a proper content and lecture to our students. Administration is our second job, equally important, but the priority one would be to teach the students. So so many things have been told by the guest, and in the coming days and coming lecture also, technological details will be given in this FDP program. And my lecture would be after this inauguration program. So initially I thought to say something about waste technology, but suddenly, I changed my mind, because the participants will continuously keep on hearing about some technological terminologies and details. So I would like to say something related with academics. uh, my personal my personal observation, and also my personal belief is that if whatever the activities we carried out keeping student in mind, we always get the blessings of God, and we become feeling a kind of enthusiasm and motivation. We are very much aware about the NEP 2020. Just 2 days back, I delivered a lecture on how to implement, or what, in which way the NEP 2020 would be implemented. So in this NEP 2020, that is new education policy, a more focus would be given on enriching the faculties, the resources which are available, or providing more and more knowledge and informations and various the latest trends to our faculty members. આપણે જે ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવત છે, કુવામાં હોય તો અવાડામાં આવે. So that is given a more priority and more focus, that maximum focus is given to the development of faculties. So this would be one of the AICT Atal FDP would be one of the initiative, and IST is also associated with that. Being a chairman of Gujarat section of IST, we are also very much encouraging all the institutes and various colleges to take advantage of various policies and advantage of various schemes offered by government of Gujarat or government of India. So the focus, as I said, that should be on the student, and generally we believe that faculty members don't have much contribution for the development of nation or development of society. But if you just go through this draft of NEP 2020, uh, so many places our honorable PM mentioned about the expectations from faculty members, that is reform, transform, and perform. And what would be the outcome of this is to make our India a Vishwaguru, right? So that is the strength and potential we have in our in our hand. We so many time in our WhatsApp message we heard that the quote of Chanakya, etc. That teachers, what is the strength of teacher. But today I would also like to give you a one real example of just 2 centuries back. And the third president of America, Mr. Thomas Jefferson, he was, the third president of USA. So you can understand its importance. He was also, one of the author of Declaration of Independence of USA, and he was founder of Georgia College, and later this college converted into university. Georgia University, even after almost 250 years or 275 years, holds a very strong position and having a very good ranking in US universities. So when he was to die, in a deathbed, he made a wish to his family members that after my death, you write 2 things on my coffins. That is, I was, the author of Declaration of Independence and founder of Georgia University. So at that time, somebody asked him that these two are okay, but most importantly, you were the president of USA. You don't want to write this or don't want to mention this on this coffin. So he clearly said no. For me, becoming, the founder of university is more important than becoming the president of USA. So all participants, I hope, are faculty members. So this is, the strength of in our hand. There is so much of potential, and with support of when you are attending such FDPs, you will always, your knowledge will be upgraded, and those things, if you, delivered in a lecture in a classroom, that makes a lot of difference. I would also request and suggest Joshi sir and Vagela sir that if possible, make some kind of, visit to some of the industrial wastewater treatment. Nearby Ankleshwar is there, BIL and all, ETL is there. So if possible, if you get an opportunity, I think it is an online FDP, would not be difficult. It would be difficult, but if you get that opportunity, you must uh, show them the actual working of how this waste treatment working takes place. And last but not the least, always encourage your students to say that, and tell them that your approach should be, I don't want to answer my questions, right? You tell your students that I don't want to answer my questions. I want you to question my answers too, right? Most of the time, students answer the questions asked by you, but also make them feel comfortable in classroom so that they will be able to questions your answers too. So, and last but not the least, I congratulate Dr. Naresh Vagela. Very happy for you for getting the award of PhD recognition, PhD degree. Thank you. Thank you once again, Joshi sir and whole team, for giving me the opportunity for becoming part of this inaugural function. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. મેમ આપનું માઇક મ્યુટ છે.
Hello. It is a matter of pride for me to introduce chief guest of today's inaugural session, Shri M.A. Hania sir, to address the gathering. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. We are blessed to have you in our department. Sir did his BE Chemical in 1975 from DDIT Nadiad, MIICHE from Kolkata, and Chartered Engineer from Delhi. Sir has worked with various chemical industries like Dow, Calico, Atul, GSCL, and MFL as project and process head, and set up various chemical projects of 500 crores to 1500 crores. Presently, Sir is President, Dahej Industries Association, and Senior Vice President of Make Money Fine Chemical Limited. With 40 years of industrial experience, he has got mastery over process optimization, process control, troubleshooting, and empowerment of subordinate for safe, secure, and efficient running of extremely hazardous plants. He has actively associated with IICHE since 1994 and instrumental in starting IICHE students chapter at Ankleshwar. Sir has successfully conducted ChemCon 2006 as an organizing committee member. He is actively associated with various organizations. Sir is life member of Indian Institute of Engineers, member of DD Alumni Association, and member of Bharatiya Vichar Manch. He has been awarded various awards for his noble cause towards society. Thank you, sir, for being with us. I request to say a few words about this FTP. Please, sir.
Yeah. First of all, thank you to Chemical Engineering Department, Bharuch, for organizing such a nice program. Let me start my verdict with one of the mantras of the Vedas. Yeah. The mantra says, yeah, should I start?
Please, sir,
Are you
please.
here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
the
sir.
mantra says, Om Shahana Vavatu, Shahanau Bhunaktu, Shahaviryam Karavavahe, Tejasvi Madhitam Astu, Mavidvishavahe, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It is a general mantra and spoken to everywhere. But this is the main mantra where the each and every solution is available from that. The first word is let us sit together. Who will sit together? The equal ideas men will sit together, then they will think, they work, and they find the solution. In the Vedas, nothing is waste. The first PhD holder, Dr. B.P. Swadas, I have worked under him. He has done the first PhD over the pollution control in 1973. And his PhD thesis is written a one mantras of the Vedas. Madhuvata rutayate madhu ksharanti sindava Mardvi na santoshadi madhu nuktautoshasha Madhu mat parthiva raja madhu dhau astuna pita Madhu mano vanaspati madhu manastu suryaha Mardvi gavo bhavantuna madhu manme nishkraman Madhu manme parayanam vacha vadami madhumat Bhuyam sham madhu sansita. The Vedas in our old time, we have never heard there is a pollution, there is a waste. Everything is good. The nature has not made any waste. We are going to that some of the village and the forest. You have not heard regarding the pollution, waste. The waste what is created by the people. The mantra says that our ancient your winds should be the blow with the timely. The summer wind should be blow in summer way, winter wind blow should be in a winter ways. It is only possible when the 100% air pollution can be avoided. The second word, Madhu Ksharanti Sindava. Your all the rivers should be flow like a one that sea. There is so many things written regarding the balance, the environment and waste management. And the Rishi says in the last, this is only possible if मधु मन में निष्क्रमण, अगर मेरे मन में से अगर कपट निकल जाता है, मैं सरल बन जाता हूं, दूसरे की हितेच्छा सोचता हूं, कोई काम करने के पहले ये मन में लाता हूं कि विथ माय एक्ट दिस विल नॉट डैमेज, इट विल नॉट अनबैलेंस द सोसाइटी। मैं जो भी शब्द बोलूंगा वो सत्य बोलूंगा और 100% लोगों के साथ व्यवहार करूंगा, तो मैं खुद ही मधुरता की मूर्ति बन जाऊं, तो दुनिया में मुझे कुछ भी चीज अनबैलेंस दिखेगी नहीं। नाउ द वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट रूल, द चैप्टर, एवरीथिंग वी आर हियरिंग आफ्टर 1976, and lot of the control, lot of the laws, rule, regulations we are conducting, but these things is becoming worse and worse. Now what is the solution? European country also, the everything, the plastic, everything, the people themselves is thinking that this should be the avoided. And with this situation, I think we have to do introspection in our mind. Why this situation has been created? The Veda says that whatever the things, the worst thing I am seeing in the world, it has been generated by my mind. If I will become one instrument that I have done the good thing for the society, gradually the people will also follow the same situations. And I think this is one of the good forum. FDA Faculty of Development Program has arranged a 5 days this webinar with the different experts, and I am very thankful to Dr. S.R. Joshi, Dr. N.R. Waghela, and the team of the Chemical Engineering Department Bharuch, IACHE Bharuch, and I will support my all the best to implement things. This is one of the thing forum. But really, if all the thing is to be implemented, I am inviting all the experts and scholars in our Dahej area. Dahej is one of the biggest PCPR in India. It is having the 452 square kilometer area. Lot of big and small industries are coming. Whatever waste we are generating, it is a sometime of the cocktails. So I think this your knowledge can be very well be implemented in my area. So with this situation, the team member, I am that inviting all the team member to visit this site to see our problem and how we can minimize the situation in the industrial. The topics are very good. The first topic, I think I have seen that it is an overview of the waste management, solid waste management, industrial effluent treatment, and now government is also thinking the recycling of the plastic. Now, lot of rule and regulation has been also imposed by government for the plastic, minimization of the plastic waste. So I think this 5-day seminar, the subject will be discussed in depth, and moreover, we are also prepare the society, prepare the industrial group also to see the main wording of the Vedas. Let us be simple. Let us think of the others. When we are doing anything, let us reduce the society so that the environment and nature will be the balanced like this. I was remember the one thing when I was coming from the America and I stayed in the Netherlands, and I was having a one that battery cell was available with me. And one of the friend I have asked that I am having a battery cell where I can throw. He has totally refused me. You cannot throw in the waste baggage. You cannot store in the garbage also. You cannot throw that small shell in the Netherlands canal also. You have to go to the mall. There is a burn compartment is there. They are accepting such type of the metallic material. And this small metallic material, they are having a total SOP, they are collecting, they are putting in the compartment, and they are doing the management also. And I was very much appreciate. And the Hague to Amsterdam, I was running. The people are cutting a grass, putting any one that plastic bag. And they said that day before yesterday, some people has thrown the insecticide over this area. So he is cutting this grass, putting a special the polyethylene bag, and this will be the sent to the recycle area. So I think the people are now very much aware. So such type of the thing, at least we have to think, we have to start in our society. So I am thankful to the management of the Atal has that arranged this program, IICT also, and Dr. Waghela also calling me as a one of the speaker for this program. Thank you to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Thank you very much. I think we are at the end of inaugural session. Thank you to all the dignitaries for participating. Thank you to all the participants for joining the session. I think we are moving towards the first lecture of today's session. And there is one announcement. We need to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. So there is break for 15 minutes. And after that, the first lecture will be started. Please bear with us. Okay. Thank you very much.
There is a 10 minutes break. The message will be sent in the WhatsApp group. So we have a 10 minutes of break. Then after we will start the first session.